Hello, welcome. I am Ashiqur Rahaman. In this video tutorial, I will show you how you can create a Google Analytics 4 account, then create a Google Tag Manager and implement these on a WordPress website. So basically, I will show you how you can install a Google Analytics in your website by a Google Tag Manager. And I will show this in the WordPress platform. So at first, let's start by creating a Google Tag Manager account. So here I am in Google Tag Manager. So if you don't know what is Google Tag Manager, this is a product of Google. So Google provides these tools for free, and we can do all the web analytics tasks easily through this website or tools. So let's click create account. To create an account, then you have to name it. So our website name is skill spark. So let's click here and write the name. Then you can select your country. I'm leaving the country is as United States. Then you have to provide your website URL to recognize your container name. So at first we have provided account setup. Here is the account name. So every account can have multiple containers. So every container is a property. That means if you have 5 websites, then you have to click create 5 property. So let's input our website address, and as we are tracking website, so we have to select web. Now this option is optional, so if you don't want, you don't need to click here. Now click create. Now here in this box you have to click this, then click yes here. Our new Google Tag Manager account just been created, so just close now. And now we have to um, open or create a Google Analytics account. So let's go to the analytics.google.com. From here we will create a new Google Analytics account. We have on a previous account, no problem. You have to create a new account, you have to go here admin panel, then this page will appear, then click create account. Now you have to provide your account name. This is also the same type of thing, just like Google Tag Manager. You can have a account, then under those account you can create multiple properties. On property mean on website or on other thing like app, any other thing. So let's do this. Our website name, then the data sharing options, leave this as it is. Here you can see 99 more accounts can be created, so we are just creating one. Click next. Now property name, same thing, your website name, or you can input your website address. Here is our website address, and select your time zone. I am leaving as it is. Now here you can also leave this as your required. If you are in the euro or any other currency, then you can select from here. Click next. Now you have to provide some your business information. So for me this is a education, jobs and education. Select this, and I am clicking small. As your required business information, you have to select this. If your organization has on 100 to 500 employees, then you should select large. If you have 500 plus employee, you should select very large. That's it. Thank you. Then click next. Now what is your objective to use Google Analytics? For me, this is the these options, and if you select this, you cannot select the other items. So I am selecting these options as my business requirement, then click create. Now I also accept the process of data processing terms and everything, and I accept. Click here. This is creating. We are done. So our website is now creating. So start collecting data. So why are this like that? Skip for now. You are almost done. Continue to home. Data collection. Okay. So we will use Google Tag Manager to implement our Google Analytics in our website. So for that, we have to at first install Google Tag Manager to our website. So let's go to our website backend. This is our WordPress website. We will install Google Tag Manager here for through a plugin. Why you will use plugin to, because it will help us in many ways. I will talk about it later. Let's go to plugin, add new. Now search here GTM for WP. Here we can see this Thomas Jaiger. Click install now, then click activate. Now to install Google Tag Manager, go to settings, then you can find an option Google Tag Manager, or in the plugins option you can see GTM for WP. If you click anywhere, no problem. I am clicking here under this plugin section, then settings, GTM for WP settings. Now what we can see, Google Tag Manager ID. So we have to provide our Google Tag Manager ID. So we just created this Google Tag Manager account and a property. So this is our ID. So we can copy this from here, or just click here. It will open a code. We can see this code here also. So to make you understandable easily, I can copy it from here. Copy, Ctrl C or right click and then copy. Now paste it in this box. You can read this. If you need multiple Google Tag Manager account in a website, then you can use comma and then paste the other ID. So anyway, I am not using that right now. I have pasted my Google Tag Manager ID, then click Save Changes. Nice. But at first container code is off, so we have to turn this on to perfectly install this Google Tag Manager. Otherwise it will not work. So now we have done perfectly. So how we can check this? So at first we have to install a Chrome extension. So let's click google.com and google.com, then search tag assistant legacy Chrome. It will give us a link of tag assistant legacy Chrome extension. This is also a tools uploaded by Google. Then add it to your Chrome browser. Okay, we are done. So let's visit our website. Pin this here. Now click done. Okay, we have to click this icon and then click enable. Now our Chrome extension is enabled. Now refresh this website again. As we can see, this is showing a Google Tag Manager ID, and we can match our ID from our Tag Manager account. So we can RSQ4 RSQ4. So we can match it. So our Google Tag Manager is installed perfectly on our WordPress website. Now what is next? Now through this Google Tag Manager, as we know that Google Tag Manager is installed perfectly in our WordPress website, so we can install our Google Analytics through this Google Tag Manager. For that, we let's show you from the very beginning. You have to go to analytics.google.com, as we are already created the Google Analytics account. So at first visit our Google Analytics, then select the account you have just created. Now property, here is the our account. So go to admin from that account, then go to setup assistant. Now from here, collect website and app data, click here, manage data streams, then click web. Now we have to provide our website URL. So we have to provide it without the HTTPS, because HTTPS already selected. Now paste the website URL and name your website. So let's name skill spark online. This is our website name, and leave this as it is. Click create stream. After doing that, it will provide you a measurement ID. So what is measurement ID? A measurement ID is just like Google Tag Manager ID. It will need you to install Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics in your website through through these tools. So copy this. Now go to here, then click tags, Google Tag Manager, through the Google Tag Manager. Now click new. Here we can find the Google Analytics. This is the Google Analytics, but let's find something else. No, there is nothing. So select Google Analytics. Then we have to uh, do this Google tag. Load the Google's tag associated with your Google Analytics stream. So here is the tag. So click Google tag, then tag ID with a website builder or CMS. Copy your tag ID. So we need this tag ID, then paste the tag ID here. Okay, so name this Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics configuration tab. Configuration, mistake, configuration tag. Now triggering. So we have to install the analytics on all pages. For that we have to click all pages for triggering. What is triggering? This triggering means this analytics tag will work in every website. So if you visit groceries or contact or about, it will fire or it will send data to our analytics. That's why we have to select triggering. Now just save this. Cool, we're done. So now, okay, now what we have to do, we have to do a submit. So what is submit? We will talk about it later. Just remain this. This is our workspace changes, and we have to submit this to work to just operational this option or our latest work to production level. Anyway, click GA4 setup and write this and publish. We have to submit every work to control version. This will help us to know what happened in our session or in our work. So every time we do this, we know that in this period of time we have done this anyway. Now we have to check the Google Analytics 4 is working perfectly or not. For that, click preview and input our website address, then click connect. Now it will open the our website. Then here we can see the in the tag assistant, this is the assistant, we can see that our website is working and tags also fired, Google Analytics configuration tag. So if it is working or not, we should see this through this debug view in the Google Analytics 4. Click debug view and visit any page. Okay, let's visit here. So we have to go to home. Here we can see users in last 30 minutes. We can see that one person visited. So Google Analytics is working perfectly. Let's go to back and check here. So here you can see a page view event fired or page view data just arrived. So that means our Google Tag Manager is working just fine. And in here we can see in the text section our Google Analytics is also working this tag. Thank you very much for listening to Dichamas. I will talk about another tutorial in the next